When I think of blueberries, I think of the most perfect berry. There is nothing that the blueberry can't do. It's great for sweet, it's great for savory. It comes in so many different ways, from fresh to frozen to powdered to freeze dried to blueberry juice. When I think of the perfect berry, it has to be the blueberry. When I first thought about blueberries, I thought about the quintessential baking item, which is pound cake. So I've made a blueberry pound cake using fresh blueberries in the batter. And then what's better than warm blueberry compote, which I've used frozen blueberries, which are perfect for compote. And then I've topped it with some freeze-dried blueberries and some amazing icing that has just a little bit of blueberry powder in it. I really enjoyed switching it up, and that's why I did a blueberry corn cobbler. Blueberries are really fantastic in their versatility to be both perfect for sweet and savory. And then when you combine blueberries with something like a corn pudding, it's really texturally off the charts. I've made this incredible blueberry cobbler with great spices like cardamom, and then topped it with this blueberry cornbread, and I'm really relying on that blueberry to shine both in flavor and in color to create this fabulous cobbler. When I was thinking about blueberries, I thought it would be really fun to switch it up and to use blueberry juice to make blueberry curd. Blueberry juice has this absolutely beautiful purplish blue color that creates this bold, fun color, and then to put it on top of a toasted coconut base just is the perfect combination. When I think of plated desserts, I think that everyone should think of the blueberry because it's a great berry to use to look really spectacular without needing a lot of technique. Everybody knows that lemons and blueberries are best friends, so I thought, why not switch it up and core out a lemon, fill it with beautiful lemon curd, warm blueberry whiskey compote, some fresh blueberries on top, and then put the little cap. It's the perfect dessert and a really big wow factor.